So this is my new electrolysis setup. I got tired of how slowly it was with the rebar inside the tank and running at 2 amps, and it looked like people online were getting much quicker results running at a higher amperage. I also realized that I need to repaint the tank because it's going to be used in a marine environment. So who cares if the paint comes off the outside? The whole thing is going to get repainted. I was also concerned about some of the areas on the upside of the tank that weren't getting electrolyzed enough. In other words, there wasn't liquid on the center of the roof of the tank because of air bubbles. So I have bumped it up to a 20 amp DC fuse, and I'm going to connect all these 5 pieces of rebar together. And the way that you derust is you go positive to the steel and then the negative from the object that you're derusting. If you do it opposite, you will derust your steel and it will take metal from the tank. So you always want to go positive to the sacrificial anode. Everyone online in the motorcycle community, honestly, they use rebar or automobiles, and so I just went ahead and went with rebar. The charger, I paid, I think it was 15 or 20 bucks for it. The amp meter doesn't work on it. It is a manual charger, so it will not shut down. If I had one of the new computerized chargers, it would shut off. So this is like a real old school battery charger. I see them on the internet for 15 to 25, sometimes maybe 50 bucks. I noticed that Napa has a 2 amp battery charger that is manual. So if you aren't able to find something, you could also look to Napa. And wow, I'm already getting some activity. Check that. I don't know if you can see that on the video. It's already bubbling and stuff. Oh, this was a much better idea. Well, we'll see what she looks like in a day or two. Bye.